Hi, my name's Ty and I'm one of the customer service agents here at Can Do Printing, and today I was asked to shoot a real quick video just going over some paper options that you can either order online or get a custom quote from us. First, I'm going to go ahead and start off the video by going through one of the thinnest papers that we can print through our 6-color Ryobi. That's a 3/4 size press that prints on a sheet of a 24 by 29, and this paper right in front of me is a 50-pound offset. This paper is also known as a 20-pound bond, which you will normally print at your in-home desk printer. A lot of times people will print letterheads just like we did on there, or just just a real quick black over black, or just one of the thinnest sheets that you can print that's very inexpensive. Just keeping it on offset types paper. Next is our linens. This is a cream linen sheet that has got a foil on it that has a blue border. This type of paper is a little bit thicker than our 50-pound offset here. This sheet is on a 80-pound linen cream type sheet of paper, which we print on all the time. This linen is actually on a type of red stock that is that also has got a foil on it as well. After going through that, I guess we'll start talking about our coated stocks. A lot of times people will print their brochures on like an 80-pound gloss text, which is also known as 80-pound gloss book. A lot of times you'll find trifold brochures on these types of stocks. They're pretty thin, but however they get the job done. After an 80-pound, there is not an option here that I can show you for an example, but you can. The next step up would be a 100-pound gloss book or a 100-pound gloss text. The only difference is that the paper is a little bit thicker. It's really hard to tell, but obviously the reason why you would want to go to a 100-pound gloss book on a brochure or maybe inside of a magazine is because of the fact that there might be a lot of coverage of ink on that sheet of paper, and you don't want it to bleed through as easy. So, and it also is a little bit of a nicer stock. However, that's why you would maybe want to bump it up. After that, you've got your 80-pound gloss cover. Now, the difference between the 80-pound gloss text and the gloss cover is pretty substantial. The key wording in here is the cover and the text, or the cover and the book. This is a Can Do Printing postcard that we've printed that's on a 80-pound gloss cover. As you can see, it's definitely more thicker than this 80-pound gloss book. However, it's just a nicer sheet for mailing purposes. It's one of the thinnest types of mailers that you can actually do. So if you're ever in the mailing business, you're going to want to end up going with the 80-pound gloss cover. After you go from the 80-pound gloss cover, the next step up is the 100-pound gloss cover. I know that in front of me here, this is a calendar that we did for a customer, and I know that they ended up using a 100-pound gloss cover for the cover of this calendar, and then they ended up using an 80-pound gloss book for the inside pages here on this. The next step up from a 100-pound gloss cover is a 120-pound gloss cover. And we normally print 120-pound gloss cover on things like our pocket folders, which is also known in the printing industry as 12-point. For the 100-pound gloss cover, you could also name that as a 10-point, and on the 80-pound gloss cover for this postcard, you can name that as a 8-point. So just to give you an idea, the higher the points go, the thicker the paper is. So 8-point, 10-point, 12-point. You can also go into 14-point and 16-point, and yes, we have been known to actually even print on 24-point. But it's primarily just going into thicker stocks of paper. I'm not sure if you can hear that or not, but obviously this is a lot stiffer type of paper. You can see our letterhead is in there that just fell over, and it can definitely hold, I would say, maybe 10, 20 sheets of the 50-pound offset or the 20-pound bond inside of them. These types of papers in front of me, usually in the printing industry, the thicker the paper, the nicer the job. So hopefully this video has helped you out on just knowing some different types of stocks and what we name them here at Can Do. By all means, if there's any questions that you have about these, let us know. You can either call in or email us. The website again is at candoprinting.com. Phone number is 602-233-1111. And by all means, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. If you would like to check out some of our other videos, by all means, go to candoprinting.com. Look on the left-hand side of the website, look underneath support, click on videos, and we would be more than happy to show you the other types of videos that we have to offer. Thank you.